Hello children, welcome to all. Today we have going to study this chapter 1 named Jula. This chapter is written about the poem named Jula. First I read the whole chapter. Then I will start to explaining the meaning in English one by one para. Children, let's start to read this poem. Jula, अम्मा आज लगा दे झूला, इस झूले पे मैं झूलूँगा, इस पर चढ़कर ऊपर बढ़कर आसमान को मैं छू लूँगा। झूला झूल रही है ढाली, झूल रहा है पत्ता पत्ता, इस झूले पर बड़ा मज़ा है, चल दिल्ली ले चल कलकत्ता। झूल रही नीचे की धरती, उड़ चल उड़ चल उड़ चल उड़ चल, बरस रहा है रिमझिम रिमझिम, उड़कर मैं लूटूं दल बादल। Okay children, I hope that you can understand how to read this poem. Okay, now I start to explain the meaning in English one by one para. Jula, that means swing. Amma, aaj laga de jula. He says, that boy says, mother, tie up the swing today. इस झूले पर मैं झूलूँगा. He says, I will swing on this swing. इस पर चढ़कर ऊपर बढ़कर. This boy says that he climbed up more higher. आसमान को मैं छू लूँगा. He says that he will touch the sky. Okay children, I hope that you understand this 4-line para. Let's we go to next para. झूला झूल रही है ढाली. The dhali means branch of the tree. The boy is saying that the branch of the tree is also swinging with him. See, that is the branch of the tree. झूल रहा है पत्ता पत्ता. He is saying that all the leaves also swinging with him. इस झूले पर बड़ा मज़ा है. He is more enjoying from this swing. He is saying that he is very happy to be swing. चल दिल्ली ले चल कलकत्ता. He is saying let's go to Delhi and take me to go Calcutta. He is saying that let's go to Delhi and take him to go Calcutta. Okay children, now you understand clearly in second para. Now next we go to third para. झूल रही नीचे की धरती. धरती means land or earth. While swinging, below the earth is also swinging with him. उड़ चल उड़ चल उड़ चल उड़ चल. That means he say let's fly let's fly let's fly let's fly. बरस रहा है रिमझिम रिमझिम. While swinging, the boy saying that rain is falling like a drizzling. उड़कर मैं लूटूं दल बादल. The boy saying that he will rob the clouds while flying. Okay children, I hope that you understand this poem of the paras clearly. Now children, I will give you the meaning of the words from this lesson one by one. See. Jula. What is the meaning of this word Jula? That is swing. See the first line children. Amma aaj laga de jhula. Amma means, what is the meaning of Amma? The word Amma, that means mother. Next, aaj. Aaj, what is the meaning of aaj? Means today. See, next what? Laga de, jhula. Laga de means, the word laga de, that means what? See children, laga de, that means put the tie. Okay children, now we go to next line. इस झूले पर मैं झूलूंगा. The is, what is meaning of is? See, is that means this. What is that means? This. Next, झूले पर. I already give you the meaning of झूला, that is swing. मैं means, what is the meaning of मैं? That means I. What is मैं? That means I. Okay, now we go to next line. इस पर चढ़कर ऊपर बढ़कर. That means इस पर चढ़कर. What is meaning of चढ़कर? That means चढ़कर means climbed. चढ़कर means what? Climbed. Next, ऊपर बढ़कर. ऊपर means what? See, ऊपर means up. ऊपर means what? Up. Next, बढ़कर. बढ़कर means what? Higher. बढ़कर means what? Higher. Okay, now we go to next line. आसमान को मैं छू लूँगा. आसमान, what the meaning of आसमान? See, आसमान means sky or clouds. We can say sky or clouds. आसमान को मैं छू लूँगा. छू लूँगा means what? छू लूँगा means touch it. What is the meaning of छू लूँगा means touch it. Okay children, now we go to next para. झूला झूल रही है ढाली. झूला, that means swing, but ढाली means what? ढाली means branch of the trees. ढाली means what? Branch of the trees. Okay children, now we go to next line. झूल रहा है पत्ता पत्ता. पत्ता means what? पत्ता means leaf. So पत्ता पत्ता means what? All the leaves. इस झूले पर बड़ा मज़ा है. इस झूले पर बड़ा मज़ा है. बड़ा मज़ा means, what is the means of बड़ा मज़ा? That means more enjoy. That means we can say more happy also. चल दिल्ली ले चल कलकत्ता. You know what is the meaning of चल? That means go. Okay children, next we go to third para. झूल रही नीचे की धरती. नीचे means what? See, नीचे means below. नीचे means what? Below. Next what? धरती. धरती means what? Ground. We can say ground, land or earth. These three words. Next line. उड़चल 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 उड़चल. Children, उड़ means what? उड़ means fly. Flying. That means wood means what? Fly. Okay, next. बरस रहा है रिमझिम रिमझिम. बरस, what meaning? What the meaning of बरस? बरस means slow rain. बरस meaning what? Slow raining. रिमझिम रिमझिम. Same word. That means what? रिमझिम. What is the meaning of रिमझिम? That means drizzling. We can say drizzling and shivering. Okay. Okay, now we go to fifth line. उड़कर मैं लूटूं दल बादल. उड़कर means what? I already told you. उड़कर means, उड़कर, what is the meaning of उड़कर? उड़ means fly. I already told you the meaning of wood, that means flying. Okay. Next, मैं लूटूं दल बादल. मैं, I already told you I. लूटूं. See, लूटूं, what is the meaning of लूटूं? That means robbed. Okay. Then दल बादल. दल बादल means what? Clouds. Dal badal means what? Clouds. Children, now you clearly understand all the meaning of this lesson. Okay? Okay children, now turn next page 6 to 7. What they are given? Anguteki chop, that means fingerprint. Okay? Children, see the page number 7. What they written? अब इन अंगूठों की छाप में तुम भी कुछ जोड़ो. That means you have to draw any picture in your fingerprint okay, finger, then you have to attach your print into the paper or any chart. Okay, children, see the first picture what they are given, that is blank fingerprint, that is a art. You can draw a heart in your finger, then you can attach into the paper or any sheet chart. Okay, that is same way you can do it. Next one also, next one what, Kattuputli. Kattuputli means what, puppet. That is the doll which are dancing through the thread. Okay, you can do it the same way. Next what they are given, gatri. Gatri means that's a wastage cloth which that same way you can do it. Okay, next one what they given, chidiya, that means bird. You can draw it and print it out. And fifth one what they given, anar, that means pomegranate. You can draw it in finger and print in your sheet or any chart. Okay, and show to the teacher. Okay, this is the exercise. Okay, down here what they are given, अपने अंगूठे की छाप में कुछ चार बनाओ. That is same way I told you already that you can draw any picture do you want. Okay, draw it your finger, then print it out or attach it a paper, a sheet or this blank area. Okay children, now you turn the page number 16. See what they are given, milao. Milao, that means match. Okay, first one is tela, second jula, third pair, fourth gatri. See, tela is this one, first one is tela. Okay, second one is what, jula. Jula is the boy is playing here. Okay, that is jula. Third one is paid. See, that is a tree. Okay, fourth one is gatri. Gatri means what, this is wastage cloths nearly. Okay, okay children, you clearly understand this match. Okay, now downward what they are given, खाली जगह भरो और फिर छिपने की इन जगहों पर बच्चों के चित्र बनाओ. Yes, see children, first picture what they are given, tree, that is पेड़ के पीछे. You can draw any picture, boy or girl, draw it behind the tree. Okay, second one is मेज के नीचे, that is under the table. You can draw any picture, kid or children. Okay, boy or girl. Okay, you can draw a boy or girl under the table. See children, next picture what they are given, charpai. This will be made from the thread. You can also draw any picture, boy or girl, under the charpai. Okay, okay children. See fourth picture what they are given, jadi. You can write jadi from this blank area. Then you can also draw a kid or children behind the jadi. Okay children, I hope you understand children. Now we go to page number 17, pakadam pakadai. Okay children, this exercise is very interesting to do it like a game. See children, they are given a pictures and letters, 5 letters what they are given, we can see. See children, what they are given, first letter is ta, second letter is ma, third letter is na, fourth letter is a, fifth letter is cha. Children, what they are given below, ta, cha, ma, a, na. Below what they are given, ऊपर बनी चीज़ों के नाम उन अक्षरों के नीचे लिखो जो उनमें आते हैं. Upward they are given a different pictures. You can write the words of the picture, then match with the letters from the word. First I will give you the name of the picture. The first letter is ta. You will find out the ta which name is coming, that is tela and gatri. See children, second letter is what they are given, upward ma, and downward in the column, that is cha, and they already given machli. And here the picture is match it what the picture, machli and chatri. You can write machli, chatri. Okay, chatri or chata. Okay, see children, next letter what they are given in the column, ma. Okay, what they are given, they already given machli. You can write it almari also. Okay, machli almari. Okay, See children, next picture is coming. What coming in the next picture in the column? A. See A. That is the A. Which letter is coming? A. That is A. Okay, you can write Alamari also and anar also. Okay. See children, I already given the name of the picture. You see and write it. Alamari and anar. See children, these two letters are coming to the word anar and alamari. Okay, you can write it. Children, I write it two times alamari and alamari in na column and a column because in a column first letter is coming in almari, in ma column ma letter is coming in almari. See children, last letter is na. In na letter, which word is coming? Now and null. Okay, now that means boat, null that means tap. You can write it. Then you can write anar also because in word anar, na letter is coming in the anar. Okay. See children, this exercise is very fun and very interesting to do it. I hope that you can also enjoy to do this exercise. See children, in below what they are given, यहाँ मछली 2 बार लिखा गया है. क्या किसी और चीज़ का नाम भी तुमने 2 बार लिखा है? That means from here, from 2 column, they are written 2 times मछली मछली. So they are asking, we also return 2 times a word in the column. Yes, we are return a word 2 times in a column. What they are? Alamari and alamari. Okay, that word is we write return 2 times. Okay, next what? Anar. Anar also we return 2 times. Okay, we can write it, note and write it. Okay children, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.